हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। आपका स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल योर टेक्निकल क्लासमेट में। आइए आपको वादियों में लेके चलता हूँ मैं। देखिए मैंने कुछ दिनों पहले एक वीडियो पोस्ट किया था कि निफ्टी विल निफ्टी इज चेजिंग 12,300, राइट। बट ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं एंड द सपोर्ट लाइन विच आई टोल्ड यू उसने उसको ब्रेक कर दिया एंड it fell down. अभी approximately it has touched the low somewhere around 11,600. Okay, but I just want to mention here that now I see this Bank Nifty is going to lead the market, and इसके signals जो हैं अपने को यहाँ पे ही मिल गए थे। ये देखिए यहाँ पे इसने ब्रेकआउट दे दिया था। ये जो ट्रेंड लाइन है, it has broken this trend line here, retested it here, then you see how fast is moving. And I would say the next target on Bank Nifty I see is somewhere around 29,000, and it has to be really quick. You won't get time, you can't touch means you won't be able to follow Bank Nifty when it is on the in this rally. It is going to be very quick. बहुत तेज़ी से दोस्तों यहाँ तक जाने वाला है, राइट। और हो सकता है ये वापस भी आए, but I am saying in near future by November December it will definitely touch this 29,000 ka mark, and I'm very positive about it. See, the Bank Nifty is going to lead the market, and it is going to drive the Nifty 50 as well. Okay, so stay tuned and keep watching and keep learning. Okay, this is the weekly chart basically. Okay, let me take you to the daily chart. Let's explore more. Yeah, do you see here how brilliantly it has given the breakout? Okay, 25, it's already trading above 25,200 mark. You see this? It's already at 25,400. It's already made a high of 25,400. What do you expect? You won't be able to catch it, boss. It's going to be very quick. And I must tell you, whenever the market takes turns, it doesn't give you time. It will not give you any time to just change your position and enter the market. It will not give you the time. And the same thing is happening currently. It's on the verge of a second breakout, I would say. Okay, it's going to lead the market, Bank Nifty. Thank you so much. Stay tuned and please take advice from your financial advisor before taking in trades. This videos whatever I'm posting is just for the educational purposes. And thank you so much. And do you see this RSI? Okay, RSI basically represents a momentum. See, whenever the momentum is high, you can consider if the RSI is above 30, people say momentum is high and you can take your trade in the positive direction. But I say if it maintains above 50 or 60, the momentum is quite high. You can take a long call or you can take a short call based on the momentum. Okay, so even the Nifty is falling, even the Bank Nifty is falling, the momentum can be see here the Bank Nifty is rising, right? But do you see what is happening to the momentum? Momentum is dying out. Momentum is dying, boss. It's dying out. But you see now here it's rising. Momentum is rising. Okay, so this basically indicates momentum, and now I see the RSI is 62. It's a very good sign, and the market is bullish. It is in momentum, and that's the right time you want to play the market, when the market is in momentum. When momentum is low, you don't see the movement, right? And you don't get much benefits. And to all the beginners, I would say, guys, don't ever go for charts on 3 minutes or 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Never. At least you start working with 30 minutes chart, and less than that please avoid. please avoid. It's my request to all the beginners. Okay, otherwise you will end up losing a lot of money, all of the money, and you won't gain anything from this market. Okay, start your journey with at least 30 minutes chart or 1 hour chart. A big no to less than that. A big no. Don't enter the market with 1 minute or 3 minutes chart. You are going to lose everything for sure. Okay. And guys, I have not taken training, to be very frank. I just keep into the market. I just keep an eye into the market, and I'm watching this market since last 2-3 years. I built my interest in stock market for some reason. Although I'm working as well to support, if there is any losses, I'm able to support myself. Okay, so I just I'm here to learn more and seek more. And stock market is a very good tool, I would say. It keeps you engaged with the economies of different world and the national economy and the international economy. You tend to learn, and you are always engaged what is happening around the market, across the globe. So there's something gives a good feel to me, and that's why I trade in stock market. But I don't trade more, one trade or two trade or three trade. And to all the beginners, that's my advice: don't trade more. But taking more trades doesn't qualify you as a good trader. Only taking the quality trades makes you a good trader or makes you a good investor, right? And try to be an investor, instead of being a trader, because in the long run, it is only investor who makes a lot of money. Okay, so just focus on that area. Instead of trading, you first enter the market as investor. Think the market as an investor. Why this stock is rising? Why this stock is falling? What is the reason behind it? Right? And once you track a stock, for a couple of days, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, you already know what is the stop loss, what stop loss you want to put, and how far it can go. What is the major resistance it has followed in last 2-3 weeks or 1 month, right? So you have to keep engaged and keep your eyes open, and let your brain read the chart. Okay, let your brain read the chart, not your eyes. So your brain must read the chart, and it should analyze what action you have to take. Okay, so thank you so much. Keep learning, keep subscribing, and stay tuned. Thanks all.